Wondering why a durable power of attorney is a must-have in your legal documents? It's more than just a formality. It's a crucial element of your estate and personal planning. So let's dive into why a durable power of attorney is essential. Hi, I'm Angela Decoteau with Estate Law Solutions. And if you want to understand the importance of a durable power of attorney and how it fits into your life planning, hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable legal insights. Now, a durable power of attorney is vital for several reasons. First off, managing your financial affairs. A durable power of attorney enables your chosen agent to handle your finances. This includes paying your bills, managing your investments, and handling other financial responsibilities, which is absolutely crucial if you're incapacitated. It helps you to avoid court-appointed guardianship. This is called a curator in Louisiana. So with a durable power of attorney, the court may need to appoint a guardian, again, which is called a curator in Louisiana, if you become incapacitated. This process can be so time-consuming and costly, and it may result in someone you wouldn't have chosen having control of your affairs. It's flexibility of control. You have the flexibility to define how much power your agent has and under what circumstances it becomes effective. This control is so important for ensuring your affairs are managed according to your preferences. Look, it's ease of family members' minds. Having a durable power of attorney, it eases that burden on your family members. It provides clear guidance on who should manage your affairs. It reduces stress and potential conflicts. And finally, legal recognition. A durable power of attorney is a legally recognized document. It ensures that financial institutions and others will accept the authority of your appointed agent. Remember, choosing the right person as your agent is as important as having the document itself. It should be someone that you trust with your checkbook, someone trustworthy, reliable, and capable of handling those responsibilities. Look, if you don't yet have a durable power of attorney, or you need to update your existing documents, please contact us at Estate Law Solutions. We can help you ensure that your affairs will be in capable hands, no matter what the future holds. And for more insights into essential legal documents and estate planning, like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We're here to provide those legal support you need. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.